Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to talk to you about the Legend trad pole. This is a carbon fiber 2-section telescopic pole. It extends from 4 feet to 8 feet, so it's 8 feet plus your reach. Comes with a traditional Unger tip for you to put your scrubbers and squeegees and whatnot on. It's very light, only weighs about 1.1 pounds, and very rigid, of course, as you'd expect from carbon fiber. And new as of today, I just want to show you new arrival. We now have the Legend 12-foot trad pole. It's a 3-section carbon fiber pole, and it weighs about 1.7 pounds. So again, nice and light, very rigid. Great thing about the 12-foot is, surprisingly, doesn't have that much taller of a collapsed height. It's literally like about 1.5 inches. So this is really great for working in tight areas where you need a 12-foot pole, but you don't want very long sections. So here we have the 4 to 8 foot and the, I'd say, 4 to 12 foot trad pole from Legend.